Tutorial: Configuring Devices Using the Desktop tab. This tutorial is a demonstration on how to configure devices using the Desktop tab. Click on PC 0 to configure it. Click the Desktop tab and open the IP configuration window. IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server can also be configured using this window. Enter 192.168.5.3 as the IP address. Click here to automatically assign a subnet mask. Enter 192.168.5.1 as the gateway IP address. Close the IP configuration window. Dial-up is used to establish a modem connection. Terminal is used to gain access to the command line interface of a router or switch. Command prompt is used to issue simple commands such as ping or trace RT. Web browser is used to view web pages on a server. There are many other programs available on the PC desktop. Specific details about their operations are covered in the Packet Tracer help contents. Close the PC configuration window. Click on the server to open the device configuration window. The Desktop tab is also available for use with this device. Not all of the programs available on the PC are present on the server, but the AAA Accounting Viewer is only available on the server. Close the configuration window. This ends the Configuring Devices Using the Desktop tab tutorial.